Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to close Walmart MoneyCard. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to close Walmart MoneyCard, first what you need to do is just simply head over and open up your Walmart MoneyCard app, and then once you're inside here, be sure to be logged in with your username and password. Then once you're signed into your account, what you need to do is tap on this menu icon on the bottom right corner of your screen. Then once you're inside there, what you need to do is select the setting option, and once you're inside the settings, what you need to do is tap on manage card option, and then once you tap on manage card option, what you need to do is select close your account option, and then once that's done, all you gotta do is follow the on-screen prompts to successfully close your Walmart MoneyCard. And if you are using it from your web, what you need to do is just simply log into your walmartmoney.com or walmartmoneycard.com. Then once you're logged in, select account management, then select my card and choose close your account. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.